Nonprofit leader, you want to be an accomplished fundraiser and bounce back from the financial strain caused by the virus disruption. In order to do that, you need a roadmap. The problem is you need funds now, which makes you feel the pressure, especially with a small staff or one-person shop. You did not plan for this. No one did. Nevertheless, you don't deserve this. Your beneficiaries don't deserve this. I understand and care about small non-for-profits, which is why I'm offering a free training called the New Fundraising Formula. You discover how to make fundraising work for you now and well beyond any crisis. Let's get you going and on the right path. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, click the link and select a time for the free training that is best for you. 2, join me live. 3, discover 3 secrets to overcome your fundraising deficits. This training is only open for a short time. Get signed up right here, right now, today. Click here and join me live. I can't wait to see you there.